Ever stumbled into a deal that seemed too good to be true? Like snagging a property for the price of an old car at a tax deed sale? What's the catch? Can I really score big? What hidden nightmares await? Hold up, it's not all sunshine and property deeds. So, you're eyeing these tax deed sales, right? The idea is simple. Swoop in, win a property auction for back taxes owed, and boom, you're a property owner. Things are peachy, until you realize winning the bid is just the opening act. Wait, there's more? So you drop your hard-earned $15K on a winning bid, feeling like a real estate mogul, right? But then, the reality of additional costs starts to creep in. But first, let's talk about the fees nobody mentions. Which leads to the discovery of auction fees, back taxes, and those delightful repair costs. You were dreaming of a cute fixer-upper, but what you got is more like a scene from a horror movie where the house is the monster. And just when you thought you'd accounted for it all, liens from the underworld emerge, making your budget scream for mercy. Were all these expenses on the guest list? Nope, but they sure made an entrance. But here's the kicker. Even after braving the haunted forest of unforeseen costs, you've got to deal with property taxes and insurance. So, I'm basically buying the property twice? In a way, yes. And by a way, I mean definitely. And here's a fun fact to chew on. Did you know in the world of real estate investment, surprises like these are more common than finding a level floor in an old house? It's all about the thrill of the hunt and the stories you'll tell. Imagine telling your friends about the time you thought you bought a quaint cottage, but ended up with a money pit that had more surprises than a mystery novel. And by quaint cottage, I mean a labyrinth of expenses. So, next time you're tempted by a tax deed sale, remember, it's not just about the property. It's about the adventure, the misadventures, and the lessons learned along the way. And that, my friend, is how you turn a cautionary tale into real estate wisdom.